Hey students, experiencing uncertainty about what lies ahead? Brace yourself for an exciting journey that has potential to mold your future in ways that you've never imagined. Picture this: hands-on training and a paycheck while you learn. Say goodbye to the traditional classroom and hello to real-world experience. From crafting precision tools to designing cutting-edge products to ensuring critical machinery operates flawlessly, the possibilities are endless. Discover rewarding opportunities and hear directly from industry leaders about how you can be a part of the manufacturing trades.
My name is Chris Haynes. I'm the general manager here at Micromold Company Incorporated. We're a tool and die shop that designs and builds precision injection molds for the medical device industry. Modern manufacturing isn't your stereotypical dirty, dark shop like it used to be. Most modern manufacturing shops are very well lit, they're climate controlled, they're filled with precision equipment. It's not what you would see maybe from the 40s or 50s. When I got into this trade, we had one CNC machine in the entire shop. Now most of the machines in the shop are CNC equipped. CNC equipment is computer numerically controlled equipment, so that would be mills, lathes, things like that. Rather than a manual machine, they are actually controlled by a computer, and they're programmed and they run automatically once they are programmed to run the parts that are required. It's a very good trade. It offers high-paying jobs, job security, and the nice thing about tool and die or manufacturing in general is you don't have to go into debt by going to college and getting a degree. Most shops will offer some sort of an apprenticeship program, which we would actually pay you to learn the trade. So a toolmaker position is a precision manufacturing position where the toolmaker will plan and lay out the manufacturing of the precision components that make the mold that produces the final plastic part. Toolmaker manufactures precision components for injection mold, how the part's going to be manufactured from start to finish. Skills that are good for a toolmaker to have are mechanical aptitude, attention to detail. They should be self-motivated with the ability to work independently as well as in a team, and they should be good problem solvers. To be hired as a toolmaker, you're going to have completed an apprenticeship or have commensurate work experience, but we don't require any experience to be hired as an apprentice. To be accepted into our apprenticeship program, you'll need to have a high school diploma or a GED. So a toolmaker apprenticeship program is a 4-year program where you will actually work and learn on the job, as well as taking some classroom courses during the evenings. And it takes about 4 years to complete the program. And the nice thing about that is we'll actually pay for your schooling, and you'll get paid to be on the job while you're learning. We've also got a co-op program in place. Typically they get into the program through the Erie County Tech School, and they'll come to work part-time and then they'll finish their day out at school. One of the benefits of working as a toolmaker is that the products we produce positively impact people's lives every day, whether that be surgical tools or medication delivery devices for people with diabetes. Some of the benefits of working in manufacturing are high-paying jobs. It's a very stable work environment, particularly in the medical device industry that we target. The best advice I could give you as far as getting into manufacturing is adopt the attitude that you're going to get out of your career what you put into it. No one is just going to hand you a job or a promotion. You're going to have to earn it, but it is a great living. Now, be punctual, be reliable, and learn as much as you can from the older generation, and you'll be successful in your career.
Hi, my name's Catherine Scharf. I'm the HR manager here at Industrial Sales and Manufacturing. Industrial Sales and Manufacturing is a contract manufacturer, so we produce component parts for companies based on specifications that they provide to us. And we serve various industries which include anything from agriculture to medical to automotive and transportation. I think manufacturing has made some great progress, especially recently. I think we've really moved away from the stereotypes of the dark and dirty environments, and manufacturing is now really about innovation and advanced technologies. Technology has massively transformed the industry and really opened the door to such a wide range of careers. It's introduced 3D printing, laser capability, robotics, and it really provides such a sophisticated environment. It makes it a really rewarding career to go into. So a machine maintenance technician is responsible for ensuring that the machinery and equipment used in manufacturing and industrial settings operate efficiently and safely. Their role involves diagnosing, repairing, and then generally maintaining a wide range of mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems. So a maintenance technician requires a blend of technical expertise, which include problem-solving ability as well as hands-on skills. There are several skills that's important for a role such as this, and that includes technical knowledge. They'll have to have a level of mechanical skills, understanding how the machines work, the mechanical systems, how they operate, and this generally includes knowledge of motors and gears and bearings, belts, hydraulics, pneumatics. We take people from entry level straight through to skilled technicians. Depending on what the role is, we may require qualifications or certifications in electrical, safety, but generally if someone has an interest, a background or a knowledge in it, we always provide on-the-job training here as well, which will give a great introduction to our own internal procedures of how we do things. So we offer co-op opportunities for anyone who may currently be studying industrial maintenance or machine maintenance. We offer internships, we offer externships, and we generally always partner with local schools or colleges and offer those kind of opportunities for students looking to build on their knowledge from the classroom and then really apply those skills that they're learning in industry. The growth opportunities for machine maintenance technicians can be substantial depending on their skills and experience and what their career goals are. Probably some of the more common career paths for advancement and development would include advanced technical skills. They can specialize in types of machinery that they want to work on, such as CNC machines. They can work on robotics or PLC systems, and specialization can often lead to either higher pay or more complex responsibilities. So a typical day for a machine maintenance technician involves a combination of preventative maintenance, troubleshooting, and general repairs to keep the machinery running smoothly. A typical day might look like a morning check-in where they'll review work orders. So at the start of the shift, the technician will come in, do their checks, they'll have a look if there's any tasks that are due, and then go around and report any machine issues from any previous shift that may have been on. And then generally there's some team meetings that happen where they'll attend a meeting with some of the supervisors or other technician, and that's when tasks will be prioritized. So a machine maintenance technician can pretty much be involved on all of our projects throughout the manufacturing cycle. One minute they may be able to go and help an operator with a malfunction in one of the machines, and the next minute they might be up on the roof fixing something, whatever's needed. But generally we consider our maintenance technicians integral part of our operations here. They keep our production running, so without them we really struggle. We need them to keep the machines going, we need them to be on site, we need them to be reactive. What I'd say to any student pursuing an opportunity as a machine maintenance technician is that if you enjoy working with your hands and collaborating with other skilled technicians, if you enjoy working on fixing things and finding solutions, then absolutely get out into industry to really see what the role entails and what it's about. I honestly believe that it's pretty great to be able to see something on an everyday basis and think, I helped create that.
My name is Jared Willits. I'm the General Manager of Machining Concepts. We are a contract machine house. We make precision machine components for the oil and gas, medical, and aerospace industries. And I've been employed here for 17 years. Manufacturing used to be considered or was a very dark, dirty, dangerous business. You had open belts, obscure machining practices. OSHA was not heavily used. In these days, machine manufacturing has become very sophisticated. We use computers, there's robotics, 3D printing, vision systems. The shops are now clean.
So CNC stands for computer numerically controlled. So a CNC operator is responsible for operating and maintaining CNC machinery used in the manufacturing process. These machines are programmed to cut, shape and create parts from materials like metal, plastic or wood with a high precision. Typically, a CNC operator will set up the machines by loading the materials, and they'll generally set them up according to a set of specifications or blueprints, and then they will program or input those specifications by entering instructions based on technical drawings. Skills critical to being a CNC tool operator would definitely include having attention to detail, being precise. You have to be good with your hands. It'd be great to have a good foundation with math because you'd be working with a lot of dimensions. Any kind of skill where you have great manual dexterity, attention to detail, and really having a passion for creating a product. So anyone interested in becoming a CNC operator, I'd certainly recommend going to a local school or college, enrolling in a course, get some knowledge. We offer internships for anyone who may be somewhere else or working in a different industry and they're looking to change career pathways.
Our expectations is for them to grow from a machine operator, an operator who simply loads and unloads the machines and makes sure that the parts coming off are properly deburred and accurate. After they can exceed at that skill, we will eventually start to move them up into more complicated roles of setup and programming, and then they could grow from there. Supervision, solely programming 100%, job quoting, material purchasing, whatever avenue that they take interest in. That growth is available for anybody who wants to work here, but they have to show the initiative.
So a typical workday for a CNC tool operator would likely involve a mix of machine setup. It would include monitoring, quality control tasks. Generally, they'll speak to their supervisor, they'll check the machines, they'll do a pre-inspection to make sure that the machine is working okay. Once everything's ready, they'll get the machine set up, they'll load the materials into the machine, and then they'll install the required cutting tools, make sure everything's properly aligned, and then enter the program into the machine if they've got that capability to do so, or the program may have been pre-entered for them in which just to operate. Once they're running the machine, they will monitor it, and then obviously if there are any issues, they'll just report those to our maintenance department or their supervisor.
I would say to a young student who's graduating and potentially entering the workforce, CNC machining is a very exciting industry to get into. You have the ability to create, work with your hands, and use cool technology at the same time.
These could be your stories. Imagine waking up excited to go to work because you love what you do and you're making a difference. Forge your destiny. Join the manufacturing trades where your passion meets a paycheck.